Hello friends, welcome to BSP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi, and in this today's session we are going to learn how to create moment request transfer in our Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. So the moment request transfer are the request for the moment of the material within an inventory organization. In the enterprise, we have the multiple inventory organization. So within the inventory organization, we have the multiple sub-inventory. So you can transfer the item, you can transfer the material from one sub-inventory to the another sub-inventory, right? So this is the moment request. So in this application, we have the three types of the moment request. First one is requisition, and another one is replenishment, and the last one is shop floor, right? So the requisition moment request is the request where we manually create and use for transfer. Transfer the item, transfer the material from one sub inventory to the another sub inventory, and you can transfer the item from one sub inventory to the account, right? We will cover in the requisition moment request. And the next one is replenishment. In this request, we are generate by the min max planning. Means you can refill your inventory, by the min max planning, and you can change, you can transfer from one sub inventory to the another sub inventory, right? And the last one is shop floor moment request. So in the shop floor moment requests are the requests that are performed to refill for the component needed for the manufacturing and the maintenance work order, right? So material move either to the work in the progress supply location or directly to the work order from the warehouse location. So you can transfer the item from the warehouse to the manufacturing location. So this is the shop floor moment request, right? So the moment request is also, you can say, the sub inventory transfer. You can transfer from the one sub inventory to the another sub inventory. So in this video, we will cover requisition moment request process. So where we transfer and we can manually create how to how to transfer the items and the material from the sub inventory within our inventory organization. So this is the process. First, we have to the create moment request. We have to create the moment request, and further we have to perform a job, a, a request job called moment request pick flip request, the ESS job, right? We have to perform it. And the physically moment request transfer the material, and at the end we have to perform confirm pick slip in the application, right? So let's move on to the application and we'll see how to perform a requisition moment request transfer. So this is our application. So click on this navigator in order to create a moment request transfer. So we'll go to the supply chain execution and go to the inventory management. So first of all, we see the on-hand quantity in our sub inventory, right? So manage item quantities. Click on manage item quantities. So this is our inventory organization. You can see over here, inventory organization, Tata, New York, and click on search. So we have an item Tata 1001, expand it. We have the organization, and under this organization, we have the sub inventory, the Tata sub 1. So we have the on hand quantity 1000 in our sub inventory, and we have also a sub inventory 2. The on hand quantity of the sub inventory 2 is 0 right now. We can see, let's check it out. Click on miscellaneous transaction, right? Click on this miscellaneous receipt. This miscellaneous transaction we have already covered in our previous session. And yes, click on plus icon and let's find out the item over here. Data, search it, select it and OK. So you can see over here the on-hand quantity 1000 in the sub inventory 1. This is the sub inventory 1, we have 1000. But when we select sub inventory 2, the on-hand quantity turns to 0, right? So we are going to perform a request, movement transfer request. So we are going to transfer from one sub inventory to another sub inventory. Cancel out. Yes. So again, click on task list and we have a option manage movement request. Click on that. Right. So click on this create icon over here. Right. So this is the create movement request and we have the transaction type over here. Click on that. So we have two types of request, movement request issue and movement request transfer. So when we want to transfer from one sub inventory to another sub inventory, so we have to select the transfer, right? You can see over here the sub inventory, source sub inventory, destination sub inventory, and the destination accounts are gray out. We cannot select over here till the transaction type select, right? So when we select the transaction transfer, movement request transfer, so the source sub inventory and the destination sub inventory gets enabled, right? That means you can transfer from the source sub inventory to the destination sub inventory in the movement request transfer. But when we select the issue, movement request issue, you can transfer from one sub inventory to the destination account, right? So this is the difference between the movement request issue and movement request transfer. So we select movement request transfer and we are going to transfer from the sub inventory to another sub inventory, right? So let's select the sub inventory transfer. You can also select over here, click on create. Right, so we have to select the item over here. So find it, select it and OK. Right, so the transaction type is movement request transfer and the required date is automatically fetched. And the requested quantity, you have to define how much quantity you want to requested from the sub inventory. So we have requested 200, right? Now the unit of measure, EA each, and the source sub inventory. So select first one for the source and the second one for the destination, right? And click on this action, view and column and show all. So all the requested mandatory requested. Yeah, we have the source and we have the destination, and no other is the mandatory, right? Now let's click on submit. Now we have to perform ES's job. So the moment request was submitted. Okay. Now again done. Click on navigator. Now go to the tools and schedule processes. Click on schedule for new process. And we have a task, the process name. Name is print movement request pick slip report. Enter. Now click on OK. So this is the process detail. Now we have to select the organization. This is the mandatory field. So this is our organization, Tata New York Inventory Organization. And we have to select the sub-inventory. This is the source sub-inventory. So we have the first one, sub one is the source. And we have the destination sub-inventory, the second one, right? And rest of not the mandatory fields. And we have to select the release approve lines. Yes, right. Now click on submit. The process is 5251. Process ID number 5251. Okay. 5251. The status turns to running. So you can see over here our process and the process ID 5251 status succeeded. Click on this process name and we have the status succeeded. And we have to click on this republish, right? Click on that icon. So you can see over here the movement request. And this is the view report. Click on that and click on PDF. So you can see over here the reports gets generated. And this is the pick slip number. You can see, right? So we have to copy it. Copy it. It's 9 and the last one is 9, right? So now this is the report. You can see over here the organization name and this is the pick slip pick status and the sub inventory 1 and 2 Tata and the quantity, right? So cancel out. Now we have to perform a pick slip process, right? So in order to go, click on this navigator and go to the supply chain execution, click on inventory management. Again, click on this task and we have to go to the pick slip. You can go to the picks and there confirm pick slip, click on that. So you can search our pick slip by the pick slip number, right? So this is our pick slip number 9. Search it out. Step time, right? So this is the pick slip number. You can see over here the organization name. Click on this pick slip. Right. So we are ready to confirm this pick release. So click on this checkbox and how much quantity you want to pick, right? The requested quantity is 200 and you want to pick how much quantity, right? So I'm going to select 200, right? So, okay. Now click on confirm and close, right? So let's check the on-hand quantity of 7v2. So click on inventory and click on manage item quantities. Click on search. So we have the Tata 1001, 1000 on-hand quantity. And so this is the Tata 1001 is our product item number, right? And this is the another one item, and then click on first one, right? This is the first item, and we have the two sub inventory 1 and sub inventory 2. So within this Tata inventory organization, we have the 1000, and from the sub inventory 1, we have the 1000 and transfer 200 from the sub inventory 1 to 2, right? You can see over here. So sub inventory 2 is created by 200 on hand quantity, right? So this is how you can transfer from the one sub inventory to the another sub inventory using the requisition moment request transfer, right? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.